welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional website using Squarespace step by step in 2026. The best part? You don't need coding skills, design experience, or a big budget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build, customize, and publish your own website in just a few minutes. So if you're ready to launch your website, let's get started. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Now, let's jump into step 1. First, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type squarespace.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a Get Started button. Click that button to begin creating your website. This will take you to the Squarespace setup process. Now let's move on to the next step. Squarespace will now ask what kind of website you want to create. You'll see several options such as business website, portfolio, blog, online store, personal website. Simply choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, if you want to share articles or content, you can select blog. This helps Squarespace recommend the best layouts and templates for your site. Next, you'll see a gallery of professional website templates. These templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize later. Browse through the available designs and preview the ones you like. When you find a template you like, simply click Start with this design. Don't worry, you can always change colors, images, and text later. Now, you'll need to create a free Squarespace account. You can sign up using your email address, a Google account, or your Apple ID. Just follow the quick registration steps. Once your account is created, Squarespace will open the website editor dashboard. This is where you will design and build your website. Now the fun part begins, customizing your website. Squarespace uses a drag and drop editor, which makes designing very easy. You can click on any section to edit it. From here you can change text, upload images, adjust colors, change fonts, add new sections. Just click Edit and start customizing the page to match your style or brand. Most websites have several pages. Common pages include Home, About, Blog, Services, Contact. To add a new page, click the Pages menu in the dashboard. Then click the plus icon or Add Page. Choose the type of page you want, and it will be added to your website navigation. Next, you'll want to connect your domain name. Your domain is your website address, like example.com. To add your domain, go to Settings, then click Domains. From here, you can either buy a new domain or connect a domain you already own. Once connected, visitors will be able to find your website using your domain name. Before launching your website, it's important to configure a few settings. Go to the Settings menu in the dashboard. Here you can update SEO title, website description, social media sharing image, favicon, and site visibility. These settings help your website appear correctly in search engines like Google. Now, it's time to preview your website. Click the Preview button to see how your site looks. Make sure to check Desktop View, Tablet View, Mobile View. Since many visitors use smartphones, it's important that your site looks great on mobile devices. Make any final changes if needed. Finally, you're ready to launch your website. Go to Settings, then open Site Availability. Change the visibility from private to public. Then click Publish. Congratulations, your website is now live on the internet. And that's it. That's how you create a website on Squarespace step by step in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss new tutorials about websites, AI tools, and online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.